Let's face it, we all want financial freedom. We dream of retiring comfortably, traveling the world, or simply having peace of mind knowing our money is working for us. That's where investing comes in. Investing is like planting a seed for a tree that will bear fruit for years to come. It's about putting your money to work so it can grow over time. You see, when you invest, your money has the potential to earn more money. This beautiful concept is called compounding, and it's like magic. Imagine your money multiplying, not just once, but over and over again. Over time, even small amounts of money can grow into significant sums, helping you achieve your financial goals faster. But investing isn't just about getting rich quick. It's also about protecting your hard-earned money from inflation. Inflation is like a sneaky thief, slowly eroding the value of your savings over time. By investing, you're giving your money a fighting chance to outpace inflation and maintain its purchasing power. So, whether you're just starting out in your career or planning for retirement, investing is crucial for securing your financial future. It's never too early or too late to start investing and watch your money grow. Now that you understand the importance of investing, let's break down the basics. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as you might think. At its core, investing is simply buying something today with the hope that it will be worth more tomorrow. This something is called an asset, and it could be anything from stocks and bonds to real estate and even art. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of that company. If the company does well, its stock price goes up and your investment grows. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans you give to a company or government. In return, they promise to pay you back the loan amount, plus interest. Then, we have real estate, which involves buying and holding properties like houses, apartments, or land. The goal is to generate income from rent or sell the property for a profit in the future. Each investment type has its own risks and rewards, and the key is to find the right mix that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can minimize your risk and increase your chances of long-term success. Now let's explore some popular investment options that are perfect for beginners. One popular option is index funds. Index funds are like baskets of stocks that track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. They offer instant diversification and are incredibly easy to invest in. Another great option is exchange-traded funds or ETFs. ETFs are similar to index funds, but they trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks. They offer flexibility and diversification, making them another excellent choice for beginner investors. If you're looking for more hands-on investments, consider real estate. Real estate can provide steady cash flow through rental income and has the potential for long-term appreciation. Plus, it's a tangible asset that you can see and touch, which can be reassuring for some investors. Lastly, don't forget about your retirement accounts. 401(k)s and IRAs offer fantastic tax advantages and can help you build a comfortable nest egg for your golden years. Section 4. Getting started. Tips for beginners. Ready to jump into the world of investing? Here are some practical tips to get you started. First and foremost, invest in yourself. Educate yourself about personal finance and investing. There are tons of free resources available online like my YouTube channel where you can learn everything you need to know. Secondly, start small and gradually increase your investments over time. You don't need a fortune to get started. Even investing a small amount each month can make a big difference in the long run, thanks to the power of compound growth. Third, automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account each month. This set-it-and-forget-it approach will keep you disciplined and ensure you're consistently investing towards your goals. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to start, consider consulting with a financial advisor. They can help you create a personalized investment plan tailored to your specific needs and goals. Section 5. Investing in your future. Investing is not just about money, it's about investing in your future, your dreams, and your peace of mind. By taking control of your finances and making smart investment decisions, you're setting yourself up for a brighter tomorrow. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Don't let procrastination hold you back from achieving financial freedom. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. Your future self will thank you for it.